Is this what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to... Uh-huh. Yeah. Is that what you like? Is that what you like? So I wanted to tell you guys one last thing, which is I found a new lipstick that is the perfect shade of nude pink, in my opinion. I cannot put it on in the camera like a professional, so I'll be right back. So this is the lipstick. It's called Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is it. And the color is, oh my god, that'd be so funny if I didn't have the color, number 5 Loyalist. It applies to me. It was made for me. It stays on for ever. I would say 24 hours, but it just literally stays on until you scrub it off as hard as you can with makeup remover. And I line all of my lipsticks with the same color, which is, this is an eye pencil, but I use it as a lip pencil. It's Almay Intense Eye Color in Black Raisin, and it is the best thing to ever happen to your eyes and your lips.